everybody, welcome back to the Kids Club. Today I'm here with 3 Disney Princess surprise eggs. Here we have Rapunzel and Ariel. We have a flyer, a sticker of Princess Tiana, and a small cookie. Let's move on. We have Belle and Cinderella. We have a flyer, a sticker of Sleeping Beauty, and a Disney Princess small card. We have Rapunzel, Belle, and Cinderella. And here's our cookie. On the front of this egg we have Snow White and Sleeping Beauty. We have a Belle card, a cookie, a flyer, and a Disney Princess surprise toy. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned for more surprises here on the Kids Club. Bye!